Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Prima Deluxe Espresso machine. Now for this machine it was brought here because it was not detecting water tank and it was not for dispensing water here. So we had to do a little bit of work replacing the two-way solenoid valve. The one that you see right here. This one controls the flow towards this. Once we replaced that, we were able to get some water, but the water tank was not getting detected. So we tested this board, the one you see right here, with another sensor connected to it and hooked up in here, and it was definitely not detecting anything at all. Fortunately, we had to replace that one in here, and we also replaced the sensor as well just to make sure nothing else was wrong with it, and the machine now it was working the way it's supposed to. We're gonna be doing some coffee. We're gonna be emptying this water tank, and then we're gonna show you that the machine in fact does tell you that it needs to it has a water tank that is not that is empty. So starting with one shot of espresso, let's test it out. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. It's in color as well. Really good crema coming at the top, at the bottom. You can see the crema right there. Good color. It's in quantity as well. Nice and good crema coming out of the machine. My water for this machine, as you can see, nice and steady stream coming out of it. Looking great. And steam. This stays steam as well. The thermoblock needs to get up to temperature. Once it gets up to temperature, the water pump located right here will pulsate and send the water all the way to the system and into the steamer one. The two-way that we replaced is going to open and it's going to let water steam coming out through here, as you can see. Nice steam coming out of the machine. Excellent pressure, excellent temperature as well. Excuse me for that, my gloves don't detect this very well. Let me remove them a bit. Test it with my gloves. Alright. Let me remove my glove. Perfect. There you go. Yeah, that's the bad thing with working with gloves, especially with these touch panels. They don't detect the gloves for some reason, but they will detect your finger, as you can see right here. There you go. We can go with menu, we can do stuff. All these display buttons work, and you can see it through here. It's just the gloves that it wasn't letting it to work. So now let's test the water level sensor. We're gonna empty this out, put it inside, and as you can see, it definitely says fill tank. So now you'll be able to descale it, and the machine will tell you when the water tank is empty. So thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.